we're at the Sheldon Art Galleries, and this is our 4th year for Goth the Gallery exhibit. It's 9 playable golf holes designed by artists in the area. People love this exhibit. People call throughout the year for it, and it's also the way for the galleries to raise some money to keep us going with education programs here and continuing with good exhibits. There's a wide range of golf holes this year. We have an installation created by Valenta. Martha was inspired by a bird's nest that was outside her window during COVID last year. So it's interactive. Every player picks up a strip when they go to play, and there's a bird's nest that she wants you to put that strip into. So everybody is interacting with the nest and creating the nest. Another exhibit that is really spectacular is actually her husband, Tim Meehan. It's called Flyover Country and features some of his personal work, really, really stunning paintings. Another golf hole designed by the Skroskas is called Putt Perceptions of Uncertainties. It's all about optical illusions, and it will surprise players with some areas that you think are real and they are not. Another golf hole is Tiffany Mulligan's Teehee Hee. It's all about practical jokes, and there's even a giant whoopee cushion that actually makes sound. Behind me here we have the Jordans. They're a pinball golf hole, and there's actually 7 individual pinballs that are all around their golf hole that are playable. And their golf holes, actually, you could play it as a pinball or play it traditional mini golf. We also have World Chess Hall of Fame. It's part of their exhibit they have on right now. It's called Check Please, Chess, Dining, and Decor. This will be up during their exhibit. Next one's Grand Center Arts Academy. It is designed and created by the students at the Makerspace and Theater Shop. So it's a retro arcade and it features Pac-Man, so you can have a selfie with Pac-Man, but all designed by the students. There's also Washington University Shop Heads. That is created by 3 that run the shops there at the Sam Fox School of Visual Art and Design. The artists are Matthew Branham, Greg Cudahy, and Bryce Robinson. So they each have their heads on pedestals in various forms that they've created as part of the obstacle for their golf course. Another golf hole maker is Perennial, Jenny Murphy. She created an all recycled golf hole, recycled wood, recycled fabric, and it's a very challenging golf hole and visually just beautiful. The appeal for the golf exhibit, I think, one, it's indoors in St. Louis during the summer, so it's a fun family event that they can have and still be cool. And each year we have a very different group of artists, designers, architects that come in and create really immersive installations for people to kind of get lost in. And aside from the Goth the Galleries exhibit, we also have 2 exhibits downstairs. In the Kransberg Gallery, we have Mark Appling Fisher's Through a Glass Darkly. The exhibit features photography where it focuses on climate change, what people have done through the century to create the damage. And on the Conacher Gallery wall, we have Artconfident, and her title of her exhibit is Seek But You May Not Find. And her work focuses on Black American cultural aesthetics and finding connections with African adornment and self-expression. Goth the Galleries runs through September the 6th, and advance tickets can be purchased on the Sheldon website, thesheldon.org.